Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find candle and play trick or treat in 99 Nights in the Forest, the game of Roblox Halloween update. Okay, if you want to get candle guys, you need to find a chest. And here I have already found the chest. And from the chest, we will have chance to get candle. And let's open the chest and let's see what we get. And it's not always the candle guys, it can be something else. And I think I didn't get the candle. Okay, let's check it. Oh, I got good axe. Okay, and if you don't get the candle guys, you can try the other chest, and there is another way to get the candle. Okay, the next method that you can try is beating this cultist. You can kill the cultist and you will have a chance to get candle. Okay, just beat them, and I'm still trying. Yeah, it's quite hard, especially I'm alone here. Okay, almost done. Oops, no, I didn't get the candle. And let's beat this one. I hope that I can get candle so we can play trick or treat. Oh, yeah, I was failed to get the candle, guys. Well, let's say I have already gotten the candle, so we can immediately go to the trick or treat house, and the house is right here. You just need to search for it around the map. And yeah, after you light the house with the candle, you will get trick or treat, and you will also get candy as your rewards. Okay guys, and that's how we can find candle in 99 Nights in the Forest game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.